Okay, we're back with Noel doing stretches. Okay, and we're going to do the hip flexor stretch next. The hip flexors are real important. The majority of people we see that come in with lower back pain have short hip flexors. And the reason for that is they sit all the time at their work. Okay, so the hip flexors come out of the lower back and they attach to the top part of their inner thigh. And those muscles compress the lower back, and so when your hip flexors are short, what happens is you put a lot of compression in your lower back. So Noel's going to demonstrate the hip flexor stretch. Okay, now the big thing is that the knee is over the ankle and the legs are close together, so they should be real close one side of the other. Okay, now of course this is a bilateral stretch, and of course Noel makes it look easy. Okay, so she's going to do each side. Okay, and let's get a side view now. Okay, now the big thing on this is you get the knee behind the hip. Okay, if you don't get the knee behind the hip, if there's no hip extension here, that tells you your hip flexors are short and you need to keep stretching them. Okay, now most of these stretches you want to build up to a couple minutes, and this particular stretch I hated for a long time. Okay, but it really makes a difference on your lower back. So this is the hip flexor stretch.